Most people blame the AI when it gives bad answers. It's not the AI's fault, it's yours because you never told it who it should be. There's one layer that sits between you and the AI model before any conversation even starts. It determines whether the AI is helpful, precise, or completely off. Most users never see it, most developers set it once and forget it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it is and why it matters more than the model you choose. Let's define it clearly. A system prompt is a set of instructions given to an AI model before the conversation starts, defining its role, behavior, tone, and constraints. It's the difference between talking to a generic chatbot and talking to a specialized assistant. Think of hiring a new employee. Before they talk to a single customer, you sit them down and say, here's what we do, here's how we talk, here's what you never say. That briefing is the system prompt. The employee, that's the AI model, without that briefing, they'll improvise, sometimes fine, often not. Every AI chat interface you've ever used has a system prompt running in the background. Claude AI has one, ChatGPT has one, Gemini has one. Every AI product you've ever clicked through has one. When a company builds a customer service bot, they write a system prompt that says, you are a support agent for, put any name here, a company. You only answer questions about our product. You never discuss competitors. You always escalate billing issues. That's it. That's a system prompt. The model doesn't change. The behavior does. Here's a real-world example. Notice the structure, role definition, constraints, output format, edge case handling. None of this is magical. It's just text, carefully written text though. The model reads this before it reads anything you say. It colors every response. System prompts can be a few sentences or thousands of words. They can define a persona, a language, a set of tools the AI can or can't use. In production AI system, the system prompt is often more important than the model itself. Now here's what most people get wrong. They think the system prompt is optional, but it's not. Without a system prompt, you're running the model on factory defaults. That's fine for casual use. For anything serious, it's a liability. A model without a system prompt will agree with almost anything, switch personas, go off topic. It's not misbehavior, it just has no instructions. Let me be direct about what a system prompt is not. It's not AI fine-tuning. Fine-tuning changes the model's weights, the actual math inside. A system prompt doesn't touch any of that. It's not a security guarantee. Users can sometimes override system prompts with clever inputs. It's a guidance layer, not a firewall. It's not magic, it's text. The model still decides how to interpret it. And that can actually differ from usage to usage. If someone tells you their product's AI is specially trained, ask if they mean fine-tuned or system prompted. More often than not, it's the latter, and that's fine, but it's not the same thing. So what's the layer that sits between you and every AI response you've ever received? Now you know, it's the system prompt, and the people who write good ones get dramatically better AI outputs than the people who don't. In the next video, we go one level deeper. We look at what happens when an AI doesn't just respond to you, but actually does something. Fetches data, sends a message, runs a calculation. That capability has a name, function calling. Next video, same series. See you again in the next one.